Gradelink provides one-click NCEA reporting. With a single click, you can submit your school's NCEA report directly through Gradelink. If your diocese uses the diocesan portal, your superintendent can view the report instantly. If not, you can simply export it as a spreadsheet and email it in. To enable one-click NCEA reporting, there are 4 steps. Most of the setup happens on the front end, so once it's in place, you'll only have to make minor adjustments. Let me walk you through each one. First, complete your school's profile. Go to Settings, School Profile. There's 4 tabs: General, Catholic Info, Daycare/Preschool, and Government Programs. Click through each one and confirm that it's up to date. Go to the Students tab and make sure that race and the fields under Census Survey are completed for each student. Go to the Staff tab and make sure the following have been filled in for each employee: NCEA staff type, employment type, professional level, race, and Catholic. Go to Settings, Race Designations. On the right-hand side, you will see all the race designations associated to staff or students in your account. Each of these races must be mapped to one of 7 federal and NCEA race designations. Let's look at a few examples. To map a race, select the race from the right. Here, you can see the names of the students and staff who are listed as Filipino in Gradelink. Next, select that federal NCEA race from the left and press Save. Now, students and staff identified as Filipino on the Students tab will be counted as Asian on the NCEA report. You can map multiple races to one federal NCEA race. For example, I can also map Indonesian to Asian. You can also merge races. For example, to merge Black and Black or African American, select them both and press Merge. Hold the Control key on PC or Command key on Mac while clicking to select multiple. Note, as of 2024, ethnicity is no longer tracked separately from race. Instead, Hispanic or Latino is included as one of the federal race designations. Now you can create the NCEA report in one click. Go to Administrator Reports, NCEA Report. Review the results and confirm everything looks right. If your diocese is accepting census submissions via Gradelink, you can adjust your submission status to signal your progress and enter questions or comments to your diocesan administrator if you need assistance. You may have notes or instructions from your diocesan administrator in the top right. When ready, check the box to confirm you certify the report data and submit. And your superintendent will see the submitted results from their portal. If your diocese does not collect NCEA data via Gradelink, click Export to Excel. This file will give the data formatted as a single row in a spreadsheet, which matches the Data Only tab of the NCEA Data Bank Collection Excel workbook. You can email this file to your school's diocesan office. Remember, Gradelink provides one-click NCEA reporting, and best of all, it's free. If you don't see the NCEA report on your interface, it may need to be enabled. Please contact your customer care rep for assistance. If you don't know who they are, contact us and we'll be happy to get you in touch.